The knowledge of animals, there's of course many different species, many different individuals, and I think they have very different things to say, also depending on what you ask them. But one of the things is that it might help us to get out of our very human-centered, like anthropocentric perspectives, and to think about the world in a very different way. Maybe what we call epistemologies, ontologies, or cosmologies of animals are very different than our own. So it helps us to question the things that we are taking for granted as humans in a certain culture and time. My name is Vanessa Wijngaarden. I was born in Holland, in the Netherlands. And I've basically been nomadic for the past 25 years. I spend a lot of time with people, for example, in Maasai community in Tanzania and with the Khoi people in South Africa who have very different relationships with nature. And who saw animals very, very differently, much more interactive way. And myself also, I've been living, a lot of the time that I was nomadic, I've been living in the bush, often also by myself, extended periods. And there, I was spending a lot of time with the animals. And I felt that the way in which, like the European culture that I originally come from, generally interacts and thinks about animals, was missing a lot of what is going on. What the Project ANICOM is trying to look at is the ways which different people, human people from all over the world have to communicate with animals. And we're building upon different indigenous traditions, as well as professional animal communicators who often work as consultants. And we are collaborating with them. So it is like an eye-level collaboration. What we're trying to do is to create new research methods that can help us to understand animals better and also to get to know the knowledges actually that animals are holding. So that animals can become our full research participants or collaborative partners in academic research as well. In a way, it wasn't easy to convince the academic world to make this project real. But on the other hand, I felt that it was really the right time and everything fell into place. It maybe requires a certain kind of person and now also a certain kind of team to make it finally work. And I think we found those people from all over the world. Some with a European background, some with African background, Indian, Canadian background, and very different disciplines, from biology to health studies to anthropology. So we're bringing all those people together. And I think that will help to make it something that is really, tangible and will have outcomes.